Hello students. Uh, in today's session, we will going to learn about the types of keys on keyboards and numeric keypads. And into the last class, we already learned what is the keyboard skills. So keyboard skills is very important for the touch typing, and you well understood what is the touch typing. And now we going to start the types of keys on keyboards. So let's start. So types of keys, there are several input devices. We have mouse, touch screen, character, voice recognition, etc. Used for giving input to the computer, yet the use of keyboard is the most common method adopted for input of data into a computer. A computer keyboard contains the following types of keys. So students, we have different types of input device. We already learned different types of input device like mouse, touch screen, characters and voice recognition. But the keyboard is mostly used for the input of data purpose. So now first types of keys is alphanumeric keys. What? Alphanumeric keys. All of the alphabets A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 on the keyboards are called alphanumeric keys. So the all A to Z and 0 to 9 keys are called alphanumeric keys. Next types of keys is punctuation key. Punctuations are actually are the separator. What? These all are the separator. So all of keys associated with punctuation such as comma, periods means full stop, semicolon, brackets and parenthesis. This is the square bracket, clear, and this is called parenthesis. We can say curly braces and so on. Also all the mathematical operations such as the plus sign, minus sign and equal sign. These all are comes under the punctuation key. If I am asking you how many types of punctuation keys are, so you will define about these keys. Next key we have alt key, short for alternates. What? This is the alternate key. And this key is like a second control key. This is used for the controlling purpose. So we also learn how to use the alt key. Commonly, I think you all know that alt plus F4 keys used for the close any types of application. So such type of use is for the alt key. Next, arrows keys. There are 4 arrow keys to move the cursor up. This is the up, down, right and left. So we have the 4 arrows keys. Next, shift or alt keys to move the cursor in more than one position at a time. If you want to move cursor more than one position, not a single character, more than one position, so you can use the shift or alt key. Backspace key. Delete the character just to the left of the cursor. So when the cursor position is there, if we use the back key, so what happened? So it will delete the character and move the cursor to the position, and it will move on that position which character has been deleted. Caps lock key. It is the toggle key which when activated causes all alphanumeric character to be uppercase. means if the caps lock in your keyboard, you see the caps lock and press on it. So what happened when the caps lock will be on? So the all character will be print the in upper case. So that is a function of caps lock key. Control CTRL keys, that is called control key. The control key is used in conjunction with other keys to produce control character. The meaning of each control character depends on which program is running. So according to the programs, we use that key for the executing different types of commands also. And delete keys, the del, we also say that del, delete. The del key deletes the character at the current cursor position or the select object but does not move the cursor. So with the help of the delete key, you can also delete the character. For graphics based application, the delete keys deletes the character to the right of the insertion point. So that in graphics application, so that delete the character from the right of insertion point. Enter keys or return key. Next key we have the enter key and return key, you can say. It used to enter commands or to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. So with the help of the enter key, we can enter different commands, be able to execute different commands, and we also move our cursor to the beginning of the next line. So that is the use of the enter key. Escape key. The escape key is used to send the special codes to devices and exit from program and tasks. So that whenever you face some problem and face some errors, so you can also exit and move from with help of the ES keys, means escape key. That is very helpful when you're not able to apply any commands properly. So you can also press the escape key and you will exit from that task. Next, you have the function keys. The special keys labeled F1 to F12 means this is the in uh, in the upper parts. The upper parts is called the function part. So that the special keys label F1 to F12. These keys have the different meaning depending on which program is running. So that meaning is changed according to the program. So we have these all are the types of keys which are available into the keyboards. Alphabets keys, punctuation keys, alt key, arrow keys, shift or alt keys, backspace keys, caps lock key, control key, delete key, enter or return key, you can say, escape key and functions key. So these are the types of the keys, and all keys we understood properly. So you note down these all keys and also note down its definition.